video is orange approved.
Chainy the chainsaw had a lot of friends. Food and toys, pencils and pens. Everything was great, they were never bored. Until someone accidentally pulled Chainy's cord. Teddy got shredded and Brody got gored. Bill lost his head and Bobby got floored. Carrot got sliced and Annie got diced. Sushi got mashed and turned into rice. Chainsaws make terrible friends, you'd be better off with a mule. Chainsaws will cut off your limbs, they don't understand the golden rule. Chainy the chainsaw used to play all day. Now all his friends try to run away. They don't like the fact Chainy likes to cut. When he's around, everyone loses their butt. Mike got bashed and Jimmy got hacked. Walnut tried to run, but he got cracked. You don't wanna know what happened to the pies or the supersized plate of French fries. Chainsaws make terrible friends, you'd be better off with a mule. Chainsaws will cut off your limbs, they don't understand the golden rule. Chainsaws make terrible friends, you'd be better off with a mule. Chainsaws will cut off your limbs, they don't understand the golden rule.
Hey, thanks for watching my brand new orange approved video. I bet you never saw it coming. Hey, you should share it with your friends. I bet it'd cause a chain reaction. Chainsaw puns.